and welcome everyone, and today also we have brought you another useful tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can hide your one-person chat on your WhatsApp app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, do share this video with your friends and family. And so yeah, let's get started. So first of all, what you will do is simply go to your WhatsApp app, and once your app is open, you will simply choose the one that you would like to hide your conversation with, and then you will simply just long press on that person's name or the chat, and then you will see this option will pop up above. You will simply see this little download arrow button above. You will simply tap on that, and one chat archived. So apparently it will keep that as archived, so only you will be able to see this, nobody else will. You can see in this list the chat is gone. So if you tap on that archived option, you will see that person's chat is over there. So yeah, this is how you can hide your one person chat that you would like to. And yeah, this is it. So this is really easy. You can just hide anybody's chat on your WhatsApp easily. And thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I hope this video was useful to you guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.